how to make a Snapchat account easy solution. If you would like to make a Snapchat account, it's actually quite very simple for us to do so. All we have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch the Snapchat app. And then if you have an account, you can log in, but if you don't, then just go to the option that says sign up from the bottom of the screen. So here you can simply go ahead and then tap the continue option. First of all, it will ask you to create your name. So you can simply go ahead and then type in the name that you wish to use, tap on agree and continue. Make sure to select your birthday and make sure that you're at least over 18 years of age before you try to sign up for Snapchat, then tap on continue. It will give you a default username that is available based on the name that you chose. Otherwise, you can tap on change my username manually. You can enter the new username and tap on continue. After you've done that, the second last step is to simply enter your password and tap on continue. Then verify your email address and phone number. Then your Snapchat account will be successfully created. That's all it takes for us to make a Snapchat account. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial and see you soon in the next video.